tie-dye today! Okay, and as always, this has been soaked in a soda ash water solution for 20 minutes or more, spun out in the washing machine till it's damp. It's 100% cotton Fruit of the Loom extra large shirt. Now we're going to turn the shirt on its side. And I'm going to straighten it out so there's no wrinkles. And now what we're going to do is just start finger folding or pinching. They don't have to be perfect. Starting with the sleeve, and we're going to work our way across, gathering it in across the body of the shirt. So you can see I'm kind of pushing with my heels and pulling back with my fingers, creating folds in the shirt. They're random, that's okay. I'm going to help it along on the shoulder with my fingers. They don't have to be even. We just need some folds. And we're going to continue all the way across the shirt, pulling in with our fingers. And then working our way across to the sleeve. Now I'm just going to help along a few of the folds with my fingers. As simple as this concept is, it is a little tricky. With the shirt lying flat, I'm going to twist a spiral from the hem towards the collar. And I'm twisting with the heel of my hand, keeping the fan together and flat, as you can see. Even though it is a spiral, as you can see, it does remind me of a cinnamon roll. And that's why I call this design the cinnamon roll. Now we're going to rubber band it into place. Y'all know the drill. Make it nice and tight. Okay, so this is our cinnamon roll, and for this I'm going to do rainbow stripes. I'm going to try and fit in all 6 colors here, and then we're going to turn it over and go in the opposite direction on the other side. This is the top, I think. I don't really think it matters. Not worried about it. So for this shirt with our rainbow colors, I'm going to use fire red, soft orange, lemon yellow. It's got a spot. Bright green, brilliant blue, and ultraviolet. And then to tie it all together, we're going to do a black wash. These colors are natural fiber procion dyes, and they are mixed to the manufacturer's specifications. Some are at a higher concentration than others, and that would be your fire red, which is double the amount. So there's 4 teaspoons per 1 cup of water for the fire red. The black is 8 teaspoons per cup of water. The rest of the colors are 2 teaspoons per cup of water. Alright, I'm not gonna worry about it, it's tie-dye. So I'm gonna do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Fire red. Soft orange. Lemon yellow. Bright green. Brilliant blue. And ultraviolet. And now let's turn it over, and we're going to reverse. So I'm going to do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Okay. Now, just to accent these colors, I'm going to put this black in my hand. That's a teaspoon maybe. And this. And that's it. I don't want too much black. I just want it to accent. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Teaspoon. And that's it. Okay. Let's bag it. And I'll see you in 24 hours. Here it is. Kind of trippy. I love the stripes, either this way or the diagonals. But this is what we did today. And if you like these how-to types of videos where we make some tie-dye or some jewelry, I'll put it in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. And please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my tie-dye or my jewelry that we make here on the channel, head on over to my Etsy store. I'll put a link in the description so you can get there. And if you find a shirt that you like the pattern but you want different colors, hit me up, let me know. Let's do something custom together. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. Create something groovy today. Talk to you soon.